Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is LaToya Ebony. We do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle over here. If you missed the first part of this haul, I will link that video down below. Let's get into it. This is the Honest Beauty Hydrated Holiday Skincare Duo, and Jessica Alba says she likes this duo for after her long flights when her skin feels really dry. So there is a hyaluronic acid serum that has kind of like a milkiness to the serum. It feels really nice on the skin, so I'm excited to try this out. And then a cream, it's called Hydrogel Cream, and it's definitely heavier than some of the creams that I typically use for combination oily skin, but it doesn't feel so heavy that I'm afraid to use it. And of course, there is a little applicator that it came with that I'm excited to pair with it. This is the Grande Cosmetics, the Lash Enhancing Serum. So this is supposed to help grow your lashes, and I love the packaging. It has this brush gold, and it has the brush applicator, very thin. 91% saw longer lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. Should I give it a try? I got 2 mighty packs. Apparently these are selling out like crazy. I think it might be TikTok, I don't know, but it's called the Mighty Patch Original. This is the Pimple Emergency Patch. There's 36 Hydro Collide patches, and they just look like these round silicone. It's like a sheet of what, 12 here? It says, handle it overnight, so zits look better by the AM. Oh wow. So you just cleanse the area, you put this on, and then in the morning, your pimple's supposed to be a lot smaller. So I love that. And then they have the same thing for the nose. Oh, if you're having pore trouble. Very, 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 very cool. Absorbs gunk from pores and pimples overnight. Oh, we're almost there. Okay, so Sulwhaoo is a skincare brand, it's an Asian beauty, and they gave a kit. So this is the first care activating serum. There is the gentle cleansing foam. I'm so happy they gave us a cleanser. This is the essential comfort balancing water. So it's almost like a toner, right? Concentrated ginseng. So this is the renewing cream. So it's a moisturizer. An ultra luxe kit to introduce the best of Sulwhaoo. I need to say that right. Let me look that up next time. Featuring top selling formulas that boost radiance, intensely hydrate, and visibly firm skin. Asian beauty is where it's at. Like we already know they have like a lot of steps, but their skin, like I'm excited to give this a try. Ooh, and then they gave me the concentrated ginseng renewing eye cream. But this is like a big one. Like this is a big eye cream. Sulwhaoo, you really doing it. I'm putting kind of an overlay of me trying the eye cream on the back of my hand. I like to do this because I do feel it gives you guys a little bit of a sense of how it could feel. And this is definitely a thicker cream. And I know that as I age, I kind of like a little bit more thickness. Like I feel like it stays on the skin longer. And I also recognize that I'm kind of getting way more into skincare. Go figure, right? This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Deep cleansing balm. Some of you guys get on me because I like the makeup wipes. They're not going anywhere, I'm sorry. I know it's like my one toxic thing that I do. I know there's probably many, but what I'm saying is that I love the makeup wipes because they don't leave like an oily residue. But here's a cleansing balm. For those of you who are like, try the cleansing balm. I'm like, I've tried them. I usually don't enjoy the oily feeling of it, but I will give this a try. We will see. You know, I'm older now. Maybe I'll have a different experience. But let me know, you guys, how do you use your cleansing balms? Because I still feel that there's a lot of waste, like unless you're using a washcloth maybe, because you got to get the balm off. It doesn't just come off. Like you see what I'm saying? You still need to use a towel or a wipe or something to get it off, right? Am I missing something? How do you use this? Do you just wash it off? How are you using this, okay? So this is what I'm talking about. This is the Innisfree Daily UV Sunscreen. It has SPF of 36. This water-based sunscreen with sunflower seed oil effectively protects against UV rays while delivering refreshing dewy glow. Okay, so this might give me some dewiness. I'm combination oily, don't know if this is gonna work out, but I'm still on the hunt for a really good sunscreen that doesn't break me out. I found plenty that don't leave a cast, but I have yet to find the one that doesn't break me out, so I will give this a try. Pray for me. Caudalie. I used to work for Sephora and I really like this brand. They're really heavy on grapes and using all parts of the vine, the grape, the seeds, all of that to create and infuse into their products. So this is the Vinergetic C+ mask. It's an instant detox mask. It tightens the pores, removes excess oil, purifying clay, coffee and grape. So coffee is like an energizer. It usually is used to like tighten the skin a little bit, and then grape, which they use that in everything. And I think they use grape for their some anti-aging benefits and hydration, I believe. Can't quite remember, but I have combination oily skin. I love masks and I love detox masks. So you are getting used, okay? We're gonna have to add this to the list. 2 more products. This is Clarins. Clarins, I'm very familiar with the brand, but I have never tried anything from them. And they have a lot, like a whole lot of anti-aging things in their line. So this is the double serum, very popular amongst customers when I worked there at Sephora. This is an anti-aging serum that delivers hydration to the skin. So the double serum, so popular. So I'm actually very excited. I worked there for like 4 years or something and I never got a chance to try it. So very excited about that. They have a lot of products at Sephora. And then this is the double serum eye. Very nice. Okay, so we've got an eye serum and a face serum. Typically with my serums, I put them on the back of my hands, down my neck, as well as on my face. So we're excited. We are so excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. Comment down below. Let me know like what things stood out for you that you definitely want to see. I know I've got from my last vlog, Coco and Eve, and then there was another brand you guys commented. I like to go back to the comments and be like, what are they excited about? So that I can really try those out and give you guys an update. I really want to make use of these products. And I think I still have like other hauls coming out, you guys. I love it, but I don't want to like hoard. I want to work with what I have. Anyway, I love you all. I will talk to you later. It's called Sparkle All The Way Eye Kit. There's an extreme length mascara as well as a cream shadow. And this is very cool packaging, in particular for the mascara, because one end, it